Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, we will discuss about digital marketing. So before starting video, please subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get important notifications. So let's start the video. Digital marketing is also called online marketing, refers to all marketing efforts that occur on the internet. It includes the communication that occur through text or multimedia, as well as the delivery of a message to a specific target audience. Digital marketing is one of the most important marketing strategies because it allows businesses to connect with potential and current customers in a variety of ways. Digital marketing can be divided into two main categories: digital advertising and digital marketing communications. Digital advertising is when businesses use digital technologies to promote their products or services. Digital marketing communications is when businesses use digital technologies to connect with their customers or target audiences. There are many types of digital marketing like email marketing, social media marketing, YouTube, SEO, etc. We will discuss all of them inshallah. In next video, we will start practical work on digital marketing. So thanks for watching my video and do not forget to subscribe our YouTube channel.